Good morning, everyone. My name is Chandra Graciano, your trainer for Electrical Installation and Maintenance Institute. By the way, how are you? Well, it's good to know that you are all excited to this training. I would like to welcome you all to CPPSU, your training center for EIM Institute, where quality training is our utmost priority. Okay, let me check first your attendance. Kindly fill out this attendance sheet by writing your name clearly and digit sign to your opposite. Are you done? Kindly pass. Thank you. Okay, let me call your name one by one. Kindly correct me if I mispronounce your name. Mr. Aryan Mayari, Mr. Carmelito, training proper. Let me allow you to give you an orientation about the civic. This is about civic. I would like to welcome you all to competencies-based training. Accomplish the learner characteristic form. This will serve as your input in the preparation of the activities depending on your characteristic and learning style. Are you done? Please pass. Thank you. This time, I would like you to accomplish this as self-assessment, a self-assessment checklist. This will help me plan the training activities for each one of you for this pre-assessment. I will able to determine the skills that you already learned previously, either through training experiences or training. Are you done? Please pass it now. Thank you. The last one is the pre-test. This will help you recognize your prior learning and determine your training needs. This is 50 items multiple choice question. You are given 1 hour to answer. You may start now. Are you done? Please pass it now. Thank you. The data gathered in this pre-assessment will be used to adjust the learning methods, facilities, resources to fit your individual training needs. As I promised, I'm going to tour you around our CBT's areas. That's after lunch break. Afternoon trainees, how was your lunch? That's great. By the way, I now have the result of your pre-assessment administered in this one. Based on the data collected from forms 4.2 and 3 test score, Mr. Maryari possibly has a prior learning in this qualification. And with that, you will be scheduled for an interview and demonstration of skills tomorrow. So much of that, as I promised, I'm going to tour you around our learning stations. Please follow me. So this is a learning resources area where you can read the modules in order for you to acquire the knowledge. This is the practical work area. This is the heart of the CBT's areas. This is the area for the actual practice for your skills. Then the rest of the CBT's areas, such as the computer laboratory area, institutional assessment area, quality control area, distant learning area, trainers resources area, contextual learning area, support service area. please. Let me check first your attendance. Yesterday, we had tour in our 9 learning stations. Also, Mr. Mariari is scheduled this morning for an interview and demonstration of skills. By the way, Mr. Mariari, did you bring with your certificates of employment? It only shows that you were already have achieved the prior learning. With that, I would like to award you this certificate of achievement. Congratulations. Mr. Mariari, did you bring with your certificate of employment? That's good. So it is stated here that you work as an electrical engineer in the Philippines at Coca-Cola Company for 2 years. Wow! So are you ready now? After determining your prior learning and learning needs, let us check in the activity matrix as to what will be your activity for today. Mr. Mariani, since you already acquired competencies drawing, sketching different diagram in electrical, your task will be given actual wiring. Later, we're going to proceed to the practical area. Okay, this is the practical area for electrical installation and maintenance system. As you can see, we have here a uniform board. You will be performed your actual later. I want you to observe me while I demonstrate the task in connecting the three-way switch controlled by second valve and first valve controlled by single, and single switch together with the fire alarm system. So in doing the task, we should always observe safety at all times. So it is a must to wear our PPE. How to three-way switch controlled by second valve and the first valve controlled by using single pole switch together with the fire alarm. Do you have any question, qualification? This time, you're going to have the return demonstration. You're going to perform the task for 3 minutes. If you need some food, you may get it from the support area. You may start now. Let me check first your work. So you were not able to do a standard connection applying the standard use of force. With that, you are not yet competent. In this task, I want you to practice some more in order for you to be mastery. Let us check in the activity matrix as what would be your activity. Okay, so you're going to answer the read information sheet 1.1-1 on how to set up a table. Here is your information sheet 1.1-1. I want you to read it and answer self-check 1.1-1. You can also use the computer laboratory for additional research or printing your materials. You may proceed now to the learning resources area. Morning. Welcome to our online training. Today we're going to learn about on how to connect the three-way switches controlled by second valve and the first valve controlled by single pulse switch together with the fire alarm. Are you ready? I'll be showing you first the video clip on connecting the three-way switches controlled by second valve and the first valve controlled by single pole switch together with the fire alarm system. So it is easy, right? Okay, I want you to familiarize the procedure. If there are no more questions, that's all for today. I see you again in our next online session. Bye. You're done. Let me check your work. Very good. So this time you may able to do it correctly. Let us update in our progress and achievement chart. Alright, Since this is your last task for this training, you are now ready for institutional assessment. But before that, please answer this post test. Please answer this post test. This post test. Are you done? Please pass it now. Okay, now I have the result of your post test. You got a perfect score. It only shows that you will learn a lot in this training. This time, please evaluate me as your trainer and the training program. Let us now proceed to the institutional assessment area. This is our institutional assessment area. Given the tools and materials, you're going to perform the different tasks for 2 hours, after which there will be an oral questionnaire. You may start now. Since we are done with your demonstration, let us proceed with the oral question. What do you call the 3 qualifications? Okay, very good. The basic, common, and core. How many core competencies has the electrical installation and maintenance system? Okay, it has 3 core competencies. Overall performance of your institutional assessment is competent. Congratulations! You are now ready for the national assessment. You may look for any accredited assessment center, EIM Institute, for your assessment application. Here is your certificate of achievement. Congratulations. Once again, you may exit the program.